Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Thermomix TM7 error 224 that states bowl too hot for this mode. If it shows that error, especially when using knead or turbo mode, if the bowl is over 60 degrees Celsius, then it won't work and it won't let you use it. So the thing is that you should either wait until it cools down or cool it more quickly by, for example, cooling it with a cold water, just pouring cold water in it, removing the cold water, and then putting what you want to put inside of the bowl, or as I said, just wait. It just has to be under 60 degrees Celsius to work with these modes. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.